First thing is we're going to clean the accelerator pump. These 3 bolts take off. Now it says there is a spring underneath here, so hold it down. Now what you want to do is you want to clean this. This has to move pretty good. You can clean this with like 4/0 steel wool. Let me get you some steel wool. Hold on. Well, I couldn't find any steel wool. I have it in my garage. But this is 2000. This is 2000 grit sandpaper. So we're going to give this a nice little finish here. My carburetor is pretty clean. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a pause. Now what you want to do is you might have stuff caked down in there. You want to get all that out. That little hole right there, you're going to have to squirt that out. Get some gum out. Just went in my coffee. Oh well. End of my coffee. It's like that hole there. Squirt that out. See, I just did mine. Mine is pretty clean. Okay, now we're going to take the float bowl off. There's 4 screws holding this in too. You're going to have to take this linkage here off. Now these have all little washers, so watch you don't lose them. See how that little washer just came off behind here? Okay, that little one that just came off goes on there first. Sometimes this will even come off too. That's already came off, I mean, rolled away. That's actually a lock wash. We'll put that right there. Put that in my box. And now this should lift right up. There we go. Give you guys a pause. We'll go to the next step. Okay, this rod here, we'll pull him out. That lifts up. And you see that little part come out. Now I got to get a regular screwdriver to take my jets out. Take that one out. That doesn't want to come out. There we go. That's the one I'm going to be replacing. And we'll take that one out. Okay, give you guys a pause. Now we're going to take the top cover off. Throttle cable holder or guide. I'll set that out of the way. Guys, look at my screw, man. I need new screws up here. Or if there's some way I can possibly reform that one screw. Now that is really messed up. Now when you put this back in, this goes in one way. See where that little ring is? It has to go in that little hole. Now you have to remember with gum out melts plastic. Now my carburetor has been cleaned. But what you guys want to do is you want to spray your jet in there. In there, you want to clean this area all out. Clean this rim out here. Spray your choke out where the choke goes. That's where the choke goes. You spray that out. Spray all these jets out. Your float bowl, all these little holes here. Take your gasket off, clean where the gasket sits in, spray that hole, shoot some gum out down that. And then of course your jets, you have to clean them out, spray them out. Your accelerator pump, that rod, you see what I did to the rod. See, we got to clean the tip of this off. Here is my kit. Comes with 2 shims, and 2 jets. And it does have directions. I think, or my directions. Here they are. It does show you what to do. Installing the needle shims. Okay guys, this video is what, almost 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to stop this one here. We're going to make a part 3.